Start the overhaul process by removing the head from the shaft of the tool. Look inside the head for any debris that may have gotten lodged in the jets. Now remove the inlet nut. Slide the outer centralizer up and off. Pull out the brass seat and plastic seal. You can now pour out the old viscous fluid into an appropriate receptacle. Pay attention to the fluid coming out of the tool. If the fluid has any water mixed in, you will want to look at the remaining inner parts for any rust or corrosion, and also realize that you will need to do the preventive maintenance more often. Once the fluid is drained out of the tool, you can remove the shaft and bearings. Separate the bearings from the shaft, which may require a bearing press. Pry out the shaft seals from the body and from the inlet nut and separate the O-ring. Now take all the individual parts and clean and inspect them for reassembly. There are a few parts that you may want to look at closer. Be sure that the inside diameter of the body is smooth and has no grooves. Look at the shaft and inspect the inner seal bore for any grooves. Inspect the inlet nut by making sure that the seal face is smooth and has no pits. With each bearing, be sure that they spin freely by hand with little resistance or wobbling. Replace the centralizer if it has been worn through. Inspect the whip hose and replace it if it is worn.